Well, James here with My Home Electrician. If you ever wanted to know what it would be like if I don't know, psychopathic fire marshal and maybe the inventor of the electric chair, if they made a baby, what that spawn would look like, well, I have a treat for you. We're going to look at this right here. For all of you who do know what it is, or what it's not, or a mix of the both of those two things, uh, y'all will be just cringing in your seats. So right here we have 500 KCML wire, which is really large wire. It's probably the right size, coming out of a broken pipe, and all this wire is all energized and has been for well over a decade. And it just, I don't know, they thought they could just rip the cover off. It wouldn't fit, so they tapped it, made it smaller, threw everything in there. Um, it's been sitting like this for like a decade. And if we zoom in, you can see, I don't know, right there in those three little silver squares, there's supposed to be something that bolts those wires in and actually secures them. It's not there. So those are just resting inside those holes with this tremendous amount of power with no overcurrent protection, which is basically the protection that allows you to shut off and not overcurrent or light something on fire, blow it up. So yeah, basically, if you're mowing the lawn or working this property at all, and you forget that, I don't know, this whole area right here is your no-no square, and you decide to touch the no-no square with that mower by accident, it will very instantly be the last thing you've ever done. There'll be a bright light and a flash of smoke, maybe a poof, and you'll just be gone. And I mean, at least it'll be quick, so that's cool. So ultimately, we have to fix this, repair it, replace it, a mix of all the above. So what we're going to do is, you know, we're going to have to refeed this pipe. Hopefully, it's in condition to do so. And we can refeed this over, refeed it into a new panel that hasn't been exposed to the elements for, I don't know, 10, 20 years. And one that actually secures everything to all new circuits, all new breakers, and get this house at least safe so we can begin doing all the other updates inside. Because there's really not a whole lot of purpose or point in putting lipstick on the pig if the initial starting point is creative and terrifying as this is. So again, we have this beautiful bundle of joy to contend with, but hey, here at My Home Electrician, it won't be an issue.